Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to recover your deleted videos on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to recover your deleted videos on your iPhone, first open up your Photos app on your iPhone. And after opening the Photos app guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there are about 4 of the options which says Library, For You, Albums and Search. Tap on Albums. And on the album section of your iPhone guys, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and over here you can see at the bottom of the list there is the recently deleted option available for us. Tap on that recently deleted and let's verify us. And over here guys, all of your recently deleted videos on your iPhone will be available. Now in order to recover them, simply tap to open them, and at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the recover button available for us. Tap on that recover button and again tap on recover, and that video will be recovered on your library and will be available on the date which you had created that video. And that being said guys, this is how you recover your deleted videos on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.